Well, hello there. My name is Carlo, and welcome to another episode of DoctorCarLove. In this episode, I'm gonna give you a small tour of this Bavarian candy shop called Derby Classics, and it happens to be the place where I work as a grease monkey. Yeah, I will show you those in more detail. Derby Classics is located in the Netherlands in a small town called Beest. Google it, it's B-E-E-S-D. The workshop is owned by Michael van den Berg, and in this Classic BMW Workshop, we solely work on Bavarian classics, like the BMW 2002, BMW E21s, E12s, whatnot, E36 sometimes, E30s, E9s. I love those. BMW Tourings. So I will show you some of the cars that are in the shop right now. So stick around. Here at Derby Classics, we do anything from regular maintenance on your classic BMW to full restorations. This is a BMW 2002 Bauer. It's one of the two existing prototypes, so this is a special project, and you see we do everything in-house ourselves. Regular maintenance. Here's a nice a wolf in sheep cloth. At the back it's just modest, if it ain't Dutch it ain't much. It's a modest 1602, but if you look under the hood, the client wanted it, so we did it. It's I have to look it up. It's a 6-cylinder. I think I have the same engine in my BMW Z3 Coupe 2.8. I think it's the same engine. So this is very special. You will be in for a big surprise if you try to get away from this car at the traffic lights. you don't stand a chance. This is also a restoration we are finishing up. The turbo flares. It's with the louvres. Normally I don't like the louvres, but with this color scheme, I really like it, so I'm turning to be a fan. Let's see, it's just a quick tour, boys and girls. This is the one. This is my taste. This is a Schweinebecken body kit, and this is my cup of tea. This is for one of our Belgium clients. Also full restorations, and the special thing about this car, not only, sorry for my hand, that ass, the roundy. The car came from Japan. So, and also the color is spot on. I love it. And also it has special engine modification. Also at the traffic lights you won't stand a chance. I think the client was talking about this being a mountain carver, so we with rubber like that, look at the stands, boys and girls. Great stands. I think this car will be finished in a couple of weeks, so owner will be happy chappy. Let's see what. Oh, this is one of our Michel's owned cars. I brought it over from Scandinavia last summer. Looks a bit rough, but yeah, underneath, look, 1600, but under the hood, it's all rough and tough. Yeah, it has all the good bits, very good gearbox, very good differential. I love those Boranis, and yeah, nice Petri steering wheel, nice Recaros. So yeah, he was in Goodwood at the track a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, also roundy, early model. Early models have round lights. The late models, I think it's from 1974, are the squares. So you have to be square, or you're yeah, a roundy. And let's see, what have we here? Oh, here is also one of Michel's car project under wraps. This is the Unicorn. This is a 1602 Ti. This is the predecessor of your E30 M3. Matching numbers. Yeah, no expenses. Yeah, it's very high quality restoration. Also with good parts coming into the car, good differential, good gearbox. Yeah, I think we will finish up on this car this winter. So let's see, what have we here? There's also a very solid shell of a 2002 Touring TI. And what do we have over here? Yeah, this is just a man cave. Normally there's some loud music out of the speakers, but we will hit a copyright strike as soon as you say go. So no music now. Engine we do ourselves. We have all, yeah, Michel is a hoarder of parts, so we have the magic attic. So whenever I need a part which isn't produced anymore, I go to the magic attic and I will find what I need. Carburetors all over the place. Yeah, this is, we call it the dirty corner. We do all dirty stuff here. Let's see, what can I show you? Well, I think you get the picture while I'm driving to my work, whistling, and driving from work singing. So my wife is happy too, because I'm not grumpy. I'm never grumpy. And yeah, happy wife, happy life. I can show you a quick peekaboo in the storage facility. This is Hotel California. And on. Yep. Yeah. Finished this car for MOT yesterday. Under here, there is my beloved Otilicious. And over here, you may be starting to recognize it. Don't drink and drive. It's my BMW Z4M Coupe, the Z4 Emanator. And yes, you heard it here first. It's for sale. What? Yes, it's for sale. I don't drive this car anymore because I'm falling in love with classic cars. So, yeah. If you want, it's for sale. So you can contact Derby Classics if you are really interested. So, but no dreamers and no tire kickers. No, just this, yeah. And watch the videos about on the laps in this car. Let's see. Oh, this is a very special one. This is E9. These models I love. E9. I think it's a CSI, fully original. All the parts are still there. And those are Michel's cars. This is one of Michel's. Yeah, look at that. It's 2000 CS. I really dig the look. It's a coupe. So, anyway, I just wanted to show you around. Realized I never did. Oh, yeah, we don't laugh, but we give some love and attention, and before you know it, you will be drooling all over it. Yeah, we do everything ourselves, and if we can't fix it, then nobody can. So, yeah, I have to get going to work, get my hands dirty, so I will go to the workshop to say a proper goodbye. So I hope you liked this episode. Yeah, maybe I don't think Michael is camera shy, so maybe I will do an episode where he introduces himself to you. He's my boss, so yeah. So if you have a BMW 2002 or other classic and you live in the Netherlands, Belgium, or the west of Germany, yeah, you know where to find us now. Okay, see you in the next episode of Dr. Carlove. Carlo out.